How to create TikTok account? First of all, download TikTok from your Android or iPhone Play Store. Once done, press on open. Now here you can see the option, press on profile. Now go the profile option. Now once you press on profile, then you can see this kind of interface. You can log into with your Facebook or Google account. I am logged into with my Google account. Then select your Gmail account. Then it's ask your birthday, so select your birthday. Once done, press on continue. Now it's ask your nickname, then press on continue again. Then as you can see, if you go to your profile, now your profile is created. Now if you want to change your profile picture, then you can also change it from here. For example, I want to select this image as a profile picture, and if you select, then your profile picture will be updated within short time. And if you want to add intro or any text, if you press on add, then you can see it's shown the bio. You can write your bio as well. Press on save. Now if you go back, then you can see your profile is created. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.